Are you looking for the best automatic gate openers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best automatic gate openers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Mighty Mule Gate Opener. The Mighty Mule MM571W is a heavy-duty, smart-capable gate opener designed for single-swing gates up to 18 feet long or 850 pounds. Constructed from ABS, aluminum, and stainless steel with a black exterior finish, it weighs 13 kilograms and comes as a complete kit including all necessary components. The opener supports smartphone control via the optional MMS100 wireless connectivity kit, allowing remote operation, and is compatible with solar panels, 5W, 10W, 20W, or 30W, for off-grid use. It features dual-sense technology for obstruction detection, an adjustable auto-close timer, and works with various gate types including ornamental, chain link, tube, panel, vinyl, and wood. Mighty Mule provides DIY-friendly instructions, how-to videos, 24/7 technical support, and an 18-month warranty, making installation and troubleshooting easier. While very robust and versatile, smartphone control requires the additional MMS100 kit, and proper wiring or solar setup must be followed carefully to avoid damage. Overall, the MM571W is ideal for heavy-duty gates, offering smart operation, solar readiness, and reliable performance for residential or off-grid applications. Number 2. GC Ghost Controls Solar. The GC Ghost Controls TSS1XP is a heavy-duty, solar-powered automatic gate opener designed for single-swing driveway gates up to 20 feet long or 900 pounds. It supports a variety of residential gate types including decorative, chain link, tube, plantation, and wood gates, though it is not recommended for solid panel gates. The kit includes a gate opener arm, control box with control panel, 3-button remote with visor clip, 2 gate brackets, mounting hardware, a 10-watt solar panel, and a battery harness, while a 12V battery is required but not included. The system offers long-range remote operation up to 1,000 feet and is compatible with third-party devices for smartphone control via an optional app module. Installation is DIY-friendly, requiring common tools with no welding or high-voltage wiring needed. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty on the motor and gear assembly and an 18-month warranty on the control box, hardware, and remotes, the TSS1XP provides reliable performance for off-grid or remote gates, though users must ensure proper battery and solar setup and note that it performs best on tubular or chain-link gates rather than solid panels. Number 3. Single Swing Gate Opener. The TOPENS at 6131S is a medium-duty, solar-compatible automatic gate opener designed for single-swing gates up to 18 feet long or 660 pounds. It features a built-in 24V DC, 50W motor that operates quietly and reliably, supporting both push-to-open and pull-to-open configurations for inward or outward gate movement. The system offers flexible power options, including solar, with the included 20W solar panel charging a required 24V 12Ah battery, not included, or direct AC power, 100 to 240V, making it suitable for off-grid or conventional setups. Compatible with gates made of steel, wood, vinyl, panel, tube, or chain link, the opener is DIY-friendly with straightforward installation using common tools. Safety features include soft start and soft stop motor protection, auto reverse on obstruction, and a manual release key. The kit comes with a control box, remote controls with secure coding to prevent unauthorized access, and installation hardware. TOPENS provides 12-month warranty, 30-day exchange/return, and customer support, making the AT6131S a reliable and versatile solution for residential, commercial, farm, or ranch gates. Number 4. TOPENS A5131 Gate Opener. The TOPENS A5131 is a medium-duty automatic single-swing gate opener designed for gates up to 16 feet long or 550 pounds. It features a built-in 24V DC, 50W motor and supports flexible power options including direct AC, 100 to 240 V, or solar/battery setups using the included UPS-01 uninterrupted power supply. Compatible with gates made of steel, wood, vinyl, or chain link, the opener allows both push-to-open and pull-to-open configurations for inward or outward gate movement. Safety features include soft start and stop, auto close, stop and reverse unobstruction, and a manual release key for backup use. The system comes with a remote control kit, is DIY friendly for straightforward installation with common tools, and is backed by a 12-month warranty and customer support, making it a reliable choice for residential, commercial, or farm gates within its weight and size limits. Number 5. COZ 1,400 pounds sliding gate opener. The COZ CG 1400 is a heavy-duty sliding gate opener designed for gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet in length. Powered by a 280W AC motor, it moves gates at approximately 42 feet per minute and features a solid steel construction with an ABS cover for heat management and durability. The system comes with 2 remote controls and can support up to 25 remotes, making it suitable for large families, small communities, or businesses. Installation is DIY friendly with all necessary tools included, and the opener can be upgraded with compatible accessories such as infrared sensors or driveway alarms. Safety features include stop and reverse upon obstruction, auto-close timing, and encrypted remote frequency to prevent unauthorized access. Operating on standard 110V AC power, the CG 1400 is rated for temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and provides reliable, long-term performance for residential or commercial sliding gates.